Commodities, gold continues to look strong, while crude underestimating the geopolitical stress. Tejas Anil of Angel One now joins in with his commodity strategies. Tejas, let's start with a call on crude. It's down 9% this quarter, declined quite sharply over the last 2 weeks as well. And most would argue that there is a ceasefire in Gaza, but there are some others who believe that crude markets are underestimating geopolitical stress. What side of the fence are you sitting on, and what's the strategy on crude? Do you think it's a good time to go long at these levels, or it still looks very, very bearish?
We probably see the price momentum are going to be catch sooner, as the prices keep falling down from the past few weeks. So somewhere we are looking forward, the price will stabilize today, because there is again inventory session today held out around 8 o'clock in the evening. So somewhere 6060 it will be the buying level, and 5970 will be the stop loss you can use, and probably the target will be the 62.40, and strong support barrier is around of the 5900. So the trader could be the find out the way to pick the stock on the low level.
Tejas, tell us how you're trading precious metals like gold and silver at the moment. What's the way forward here?
Yeah, gold and silver previous, as we seen, the lifetime high was reached, and later on it's crushed down from the higher level. Right now, from the since from the 29 last month on the 29, it's having the sudden push on from the lower level, and prices are now reaching on the higher level again, pressurized from the low barriers. So we probably see the on the higher level 70 to 110 will be the selling pressure area in the evening session. So we can put the stop loss of 70 to 300, and probably the target will be the 70,700.
All right. So that's gold. Any view on silver, Tejas?
Silver again, we see the lower level is crashing from the base metals pack is again supportive for the silver metal. Again, when we see the probability of the going for the short session as like yesterday, maybe there is a resistance when we plotting out the Fibonacci retracement on the technical base. So 85 to 50 will be the selling area opportunity for the traders. Again, they can keep the stop loss of 85 900, and probably the target of for the evening session is 84 200.
And well, moving on, what about base metals, Tejas? How are you looking at trading them? Copper, zinc. What's the way forward here?
As the previous sessions, again, the base metal is the supporting part, as I mentioned just now. Again, when we see the copper area, it's having the good support at 740, and now it's a bounce back for the 800 pack. 800 is it a good support area where people could be see the maybe the selling pressure will way off, and then again we'll see the buying zone towards the 820 and other areas for the positional perspective. For the intraday perspective, we are giving the sell over here around of 806. People can go for the selling side, and keeping the stop loss of 810. We see the target around of 797.
Lastly, I believe, Tejas, you've got a call on natural gas as well. You want to share with us what the strategy there is?
Yes, as I mentioned, all the energy pack having the good support area on the lower level now after having the crush down from the high peak levels, and now we see the 170 and 160 area is a good support area for the natural gas. So we are picking up this commodity for the buying purpose. So one can take a position for the evening session, and as well as for the rest of the week. So 178 area will be the buying level, 172 will be the stop loss, and 192 is the target.
All right. Well, there you have it. Tejas, on that note, thanking you for joining us and taking us through your views on these several commodities that we mentioned. Of course, all of them very, very actively traded.